The 2018 Cruze will look very familiar to anyone who was paying attention in 2017. The model lineup saw just a couple of changes this year, a new exterior color called satin steel metallic and the new availability of the existing turbo diesel engine and a sporty-looking hatchback model. Additionally, some running changes implemented during the 2017 model year helped to raise the Cruze's NHTSA rating from 4 to 5 stars for both sedan and hatchback. The $21,720 Cruze LT, 2 steps up from the base model, offers a compelling set of features at an even more compelling price. The standard 6-speed manual drains any pleasure from the driving experience, so the 6-speed automatic is well worth the extra cash. We'd opt for the hatchback as a strategy to make this small car as practical as possible. Standard features in the Cruze LT hatchback include 7.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Bluetooth and Apple CarPlay, Android Auto compatibility, cruise control, tire pressure display. If it's in the budget, consider the $850 convenience package, which adds keyless entry, push-button start, remote start, heated front seats, and an 8-way power-adjustable driver's seat.